Hello everyone, in this model we will see different means of communication. Communication means exchange of information. There are different means of communication like television, computer, letters, radio, newspaper. Television. We can see different programs in television. In radio we can listen to different programs like songs and news. Letter can be used as written means of communication. It is still common in smaller places. Telephone, we can make calls through telephone. Newspaper, we can read variety of news and articles in newspaper. In computer, we can send email